Alright, trying something new. Checker flag. Never played this game before. So we're in the high limit room, getting busy, getting active like we always do. In the fancy room, so put in 100, so I'm up $13. That was 5 spins. Let's see what happens. See what's up with checker flag. Alright. Got the miles to pop out. Revving it up, revving it up. Oh, the last bet on this 100 too. $5 a bet. So we're getting started. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Only $53. I had to switch games all the moon. We're in the other high limit room. Let's see what happens. 800 in, 900 in. This thing can make it go crazy. It's a $5 bet. So you never know. This thing can make it go crazy. A major, minor, major. Make it worth his while. You put in 200 in this machine. Put in 700 on the other games. 2 other games. Let's full screen, make it all worthwhile. Big shit. Major. Okay, none of those were really high pay. It's quite a bit of spins too, maybe, I don't know. 30 spins, maybe. This game is quiet for a minute. Alright, we still got 3 games, so might luck up and it could go crazy. All we need is one more ball. See, it's a big shit. Big full screen. Come on, let's make it all worthwhile. Jackpot. Full screen to make it all worthwhile. Full screen. Make it all worthwhile. Ching chow. Okay, that's doing something. Okay, big, full screen. Okay. So okay, 242. So 242 on that one. Looking crazy. So I put in there 900, so we got 294 back. Alright, that took a minute. Alright, back in the bonus, down to 80. 900 spent. Let's see what happens. See it go crazy. One full screen, they go crazy. Oh, those were all balls. That was crazy. I didn't get much at all. I didn't get like $16. I have to switch games. Basketball power, one of my OG favorites. Switch games 200, so I put 1,000 in. So 1,000 in, so 369. Okay, so down $630. So see if we can bounce back. One crazy full screener, make it all worthwhile. Jack. 1,400 in. Took 1,400 in to make it pop. Not this machine, but in total gambling. Sometimes you gotta like crack for the final. Bounce back right there. Bounce back on power of my favorite games. I lost on my fourth game. The other 3 games were duds. Came over here. It's crazy. I had to beat 1,400 on this one. So bankroll $2,000 bankroll. But we're in the height of the room, so we're getting busy. So jackpot on the way. We're just getting our money back. So we're getting our money back today. Please get me responsible. You know what to do. On my goals, like, subscribe, share, comment. Keep blasting off casino method, you know. So I won yesterday, same game. So I'm trying to come back and win again. Hey, what's up? Alright, back. Put in about 800 or so more. See what happens. Full screen, they go crazy. Let's get on hero time. It's getting tight. Full screen to make it all worthwhile. Miracle drop, full screen of ladies. Screen, come on, full screen, do it. Now we're at 268. Back in the bonus for the second time. Let's see what happens. Full screen, wow, see a firework show. Make it all worthwhile. I was done. $50. I've never seen one that low. Third time in the bonus. Let's see what happens. 900. It's time to get up out of here, man. We got our ass kicked tonight. Even though we got that jackpot, we only hit for, 1,200. But we took a loss, fucking $2,050. $2,050. Took a fucking L. And so, it's tricky. You never can tell. I went digging deep. When I won that jackpot, I was only down by like $65. Yeah, straight like that. So usually I would have just took that, walked away. But I figured I could just push it to the limit. Sometimes you gotta go for it, And so there's never no guarantees of winning. It's always a risk, But we push it to the limit. Fucked around and did like $6,500 in slot play. So I was like 6 racks, 500 in slot play, which is crazy. But that was real quick. It didn't take no time. About shit, maybe like hour and a half or something. But it is what it is. So please gamble responsible no matter what you do. But yo, you know what it is. You know what it do. Till next time, like, subscribe, share, comment. We'll keep blasting off though. Crazy Casino Method James, you heard? It's time to get busy. You gotta get up out of here. Now I'll put the Chevy and get gone. Come back another day, you heard?